Okay. Hey, it's your girl Ringtone again. Which one's the part? I don't know if you can. But anyway, today my homie, like, well, he became a homie when he gave me this book. He's like awesome for giving me this book. Boom! Twilight, New Moon. Take a picture. Let's take a picture. If she wasn't in that, if she wasn't in this picture, you know, it's kind of so you can do this. Don't make it very pretty. Make it pretty, wouldn't it? Yeah. Anyway, this is craziness. Oh, and he got a poster. Look, it's like, hold on. It has a poster in the back. Hold on. I'm supposed to hold it still. Trying to hold it still for y'all. Like, right there. Okay. Alright, let's see. Oh, and it's on the back too. Look at that. And he gave it to me for free. Because he doesn't like Twilight. My friend, he gave it to me for free because he don't like Twilight. Wait. Sorry, y'all. Got a little cough today. He don't like Twilight because I don't know, but he got it for Christmas. I got it now. Oh, my hair's still pink. My hair's still pink as ever. I'm sorry, y'all. The camera's like looking at me backwards, well, like forward, but everything is. You get it right. Like looking at a mirror. No, looking at a backwards mirror because, like, for me, this side is pink. Is this side. And that side is this side. Okay. Oh, here comes the new one. This third guy. Okay, no, that's the. He got his whole crew up there. I say Meme Do. Oh. Remind me of Birdman. All the beats. Anyway, crazy. My face is like all up in the camera. Y'all like my piercing? It's Blue Jay. Yes, thanks for home. I just hit a button on my computer. Anyway, I'm not a big reader. I'm not that big on reading, but I will read this whole book. I am going to read, how many pages is in this? 563 pages. Yeah, I'm gonna read it. I'm on page 5, so almost there. So have about, not big on math either, but have about a lot more to go. But anyway, my hair is like full of grease right now. I put a lot of grease, then blow dried it. My man. I like the first dude better though. I'm gonna vote for him when they say to vote. Oh my god, I did not want to go to gym class today because it felt like I was so tired. And I was in band class, like playing my instrument. I play alto saxophone, y'all. Alto. Awesome. I'm good. I'm just beast at it. I'm trying to tell y'all. One day I'm gonna show y'all, but I'm just beast at it. I'm trying to tell you. Oh, I had to take a benchmark. For y'all who don't know what a benchmark is, it's like a test and to see it's a test to see what you know and what you don't know. I mean, we shouldn't really not know anything. They give us a test just to fail, but I ain't finished it yet. I ain't finished it yet, cause this is my hair thing. I ain't finished it yet because they said he only said due to 1 through 17. He only said do one. It look like it got like a really big beard and mustache. Look how long it goes. My beard and mustache. Ooh. Anyway, oh, I thought. Get in there, hit anybody. Anyway, yeah, my teacher's getting on my nerves. Oh, he just gets on my nerves. Like some teachers just like. I believe that teachers, some of them just live to get on your nerves. Hey. Oh, y'all like my dance right there? Anyway, my forehead up. My forehead, y'all, my forehead big. Please comment and say if my forehead is big or not. No, I don't really think my forehead is that big. What else did I do today? I got math homework to do after this. I'm gonna hit them. I'm gonna hit the books. I'm good at math. I got 95% in my homework yesterday. Well, not yesterday. Yesterday's homework today. That's like there was only 2 people in the class who got 95%. Booyah! It's highest. The highest. No one had 100. It was 95. Because I missed one. That was because I put a positive 11 instead of a negative 11. Oh, I do algebra 1. I'm smart. I'm smart like that. I'm in academically intelligent, gifted in language arts and math. So I'm smart. Yeah. I'm like the smartest person in my class. Booyah. No, I'm not saying I'm the smartest. Science, social studies, I guess. No. Science. No. I don't know what I get stumped at. But I wouldn't say I'm the smartest. There's some smart people in my class. And some dumb ones. Don't forget the dumb ones. Ah. I'm trying to stick this to my lip, but no. Oh! Y'all ain't seen my pillow pet. Hold on. Wait. It's a pillow. It's a pet. It's a pillow pet. Yeah, okay. Say hello to Mr. Snuggle Banana. Mr. Snuggle Banana. And he's just pretty. There's something wrong. His nose is like way too big. Hello, people. I'm kind of shy, but hi. I don't know what to say. Just like slap myself, slide, pass out until I'm turned to a pillow. Cause right now I'm a pet. Hold on, slap, 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 slap. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, girls go crazy. She was like, hello. He's so sad. Yeah, for those of y'all who don't have a pillow pet, you should get. Don't have a pillow pet, you should really get one because it's really soft. Like my neck doesn't hurt anymore. Well, not my neck, but it was my back kinda. Cause my pillow is flat. So y'all gotta see my pillow. Hold on. My old pillow. Oh, sorry, but look how flat this pillow. Do you see how flat this is? Look at it. Hold on, wait. I gotta lift it up. This pillow is seriously flat. Like I had to like fold it 4 times for it to get soft. But then it'll be like this big and it'll be too tough, too firm and stuff. But anyway, that's all that happened. All that happened today. So it's Ringtone signing off. Follow me on Twitter. You get my info after this video. So come on, people. I love Twitter. I like Facebook too. The Gonna Be Famous Valley Rabbits on Facebook. So yeah, you should do that. You should totally do that. Let them go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, bye.
I might be too strung out on compliments, overdosed on confidence. Started not to give a fuck and stop fearing the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink to my accomplishments. Faded way too long, I'm floating in and out of consciousness, and they saying I'm back. I'd agree with that.